Hello drivers and welcome to my channel. My name is Ava, and I am here to guide you through the traffic rules in America. DMV questions of defensive driving. To pass a slower moving vehicle on a two-lane road, you must A. Not cross the center line. B. Flash your lights to oncoming traffic. C. Use the shoulder. D. Use that lane that belongs to oncoming traffic. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. D. Use that lane that belongs to oncoming traffic. Preparing to smoke and smoking while driving. A. Do not affect driving abilities. B. Help maintain driver alertness. C. Are distracting activities. D. Are not distracting activities. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. Are distracting activities. One of the rules of defensive driving is A. Look straight ahead as you drive. B. Stay alert and keep your eyes moving. C. Expect that other drivers will make up for your errors. D. Be confident that you can avoid danger at the last minute. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. Stay alert and keep your eyes moving. Keep your eyes moving. Notice what is happening at the sides of the road and check behind you through your mirrors every few seconds. Under normal conditions, a safe following distance between your car and the car ahead is A. 50 feet. B. 1 car length. C. 3 seconds behind the vehicle you follow. D. 100 feet. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. 3 seconds behind the vehicle you follow. Follow at a safe distance. Use the 3-second rule. Increase your following distance in bad weather or poor visibility. When entering a highway from an entrance ramp, you should generally A. Enter above the speed of traffic to get ahead. B. Enter slowly to avoid other vehicles. C. Stop first, then slowly enter traffic. D. Accelerate to the speed of traffic. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. D. Accelerate to the speed of traffic. If you are driving behind a motorcycle, you must A. Allow the motorcycle to use a complete lane. B. Drive on the shoulder beside the motorcycle. C. Allow the motorcycle to use only half a lane. D. Pass in the same lane where the motorcycle is driving. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Allow the motorcycle to use a complete lane. U-turns in residential districts are legal. A. On a one-way street on a green arrow. B. When there are no vehicles approaching nearby. C. Across 2 sets of solid double yellow lines. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. When there are no vehicles approaching nearby. Teenage drivers are more likely to be involved in a crash when A. They are driving with their pet as a passenger. B. They are driving with adult passengers. C. They are driving with teenage passengers. D. They are driving without any passengers. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. They are driving with teenage passengers. A safe speed to drive your car. A is the posted speed limit. B is less than the posted speed limit. C depends on the weather and road conditions. D depends on the mechanical skill of the driver. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. Depends on the weather and road conditions. You must obey the posted speed limit, or, if no limit is posted, drive no faster than 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour. The legal limit on an icy or foggy expressway might be 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour, but the safe speed to drive would be much lower. When a school bus has its lights flashing and its stop arm extended, you must A. Stop at least 10 feet away from the bus. B. Pass if children have exited the bus. C. Stop if the bus is on the opposite side of a barrier. D. Drive slowly by the bus. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Stop at least 10 feet away from the bus. You need to use extra caution when driving near a pedestrian using a white cane because A. He or she is deaf. B. He or she has a mental disability. C. He or she is blind. D. He or she has a walking problem. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. He or she is blind. When driving near a blind pedestrian who is carrying a white cane or using a guide dog, you should A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Take the right of way. C. Proceed normally. D. Drive away quickly. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. Always use your seatbelt. A. Unless the vehicle was built before 1978. B. Unless you are in a limousine. C. When the vehicle is equipped with seatbelts. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. When the vehicle is equipped with seatbelts.